Hi, this is Rich Lavens from Watlow, and today we're going to be working with a Eurotherm 6100A series recorder. And the question that arose was, how do I know how much memory I have left in this recorder? So there's two things we can look at. We can look at the memory card, which I happen to have a 1 gig compact flash in there, and we can look at the internal memory of the recorder. The internal memory is 96 megabytes, so the question always is, how long does that last? Well, that is a very dependent question that I cannot answer, but the recorder can. So I've logged into my engineering mode here already, so we're going to hit the menu key and go to Operator, and we're going to go to the Config tab and go to Groups. So if I scroll down a little bit, I have a trend speed and a trend interval. That's how fast the data moves across the screen before it rolls off. But if I scroll down a little bit more, here I have a recording speed and a recording interval. And you can see that currently I'm recording a data point every 30 seconds. So based on my number of inputs, I'm going to last about 907 days. If I speed up that recording, say we drop it to 10 seconds, so now I'm recording the same number of points but every 10 seconds, now you can see my history is going to last 302 days. So depending on the number of groups, the number of points, and how fast you're recording, that's going to fill up that internal memory in a certain number of days. The data on the internal buffer, that's the 96 megabyte, that's a first in, first out type of arrangement. So the oldest data will start to roll off the memory first. So once you get that set, we're going to hit Apply. And then as far as the memory card, we're going to come back to our config again, but this time we're going to go to Archive. And you can see right here I've got basically a 1 gigabyte memory card in there, and based on the current settings in group 1, we are going to last about 302 days for that as well. Again, 1 gig, 96 megabytes. The internal, external memory cards are about the same. But if you put in a little bit bigger card, you would see that 302 days would be extended out based on the size of the card. All of our recorders currently only accept up to an 8 gigabyte memory card. So that explains how you know how many days are remaining and how you would change the settings to extend that if you'd like. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you. Bye.